This is a 2008 Ultra Classic. Has 28,600 miles on it. It does have the Harley-Davidson 30,000 mile service. I already did that. Save you $600. Anyway, it's 92 horsepower. It's got a big bore in it. Again, it's got Rhinehearts on it, on the back, on the exhaust. Sounds really good, I suppose. If you're interested, I'll crank it up. But just want to get a little video of it. Show everybody what it looks like. It's for sale, $9,900. So if you're interested, shoot me an email, biker2950@yahoo.com. Have a good day. Bye.